Hello everyone, a big thank you for watching and supporting our channel by subscribing. It encourages us to continue making videos for you all. So, this weekend we made our way to Poolbeg Lighthouse. In 1768, Dublin's South Harbour became home to the Poolbeg Lighthouse. It was renovated in 1820 and gets the advantage of being positioned in the centre of the harbour, offering it a great view of Dublin, Dunleary, Howth and the surrounding mountains. The nearest car park is this, and you may begin your walk to the lighthouse from here. Oh yes, definitely check out this smart parrot on your way. I had a quick chat with this gentleman and he said that the bird's name is Rocco. He got a huge fan followers on Instagram. You can choose the ferry if you wish to travel to France or UK. With the water all around you, the walk to the lighthouse is truly lovely. You will undoubtedly love it if you get a cup of a coffee. Please let us know what you think of it in the comment section below. One of the Ireland's oldest and most prestigious swimming and water polo clubs, Half Moon Swimming and Water Polo Club, was established in 1898. Behind that ship lies Howth, where we had been for a cliff walk. You can watch the Howth cliff walk video by clicking the link on the screen. The walk is definitely beautiful and pleasant. If you happen to be in Dublin, don't miss to see Poolbeg Lighthouse. That was all about Poolbeg Lighthouse. I truly hope you like watching our videos and would subscribe our channel to support it.